Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to try to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, you have to follow these steps. First, open the file manager app on your Android phone. Click on all files, then go to internal storage, then select Android. Here, go to media, scroll down and select com.whatsapp. Select WhatsApp and from here select databases. Here, you may find local backup files that WhatsApp has saved on your device. These files can sometimes be used to restore older chats if they are still available. Simply copy these files and then go back and select backups. Here, just paste that files and it will start to back up your files. Wait until it finishes and boom, you are done. If you want to restore one of these local backups, you'll typically need to reinstall WhatsApp and choose the available local backup during the setup process. Keep in mind that restoring a local backup will replace your current chat history with the data contained in that backup. And that's it. This is how you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.